So it's World Cup, and there have been some World Cup thieves. We had a couple of men in Texas stealing from the England World Cup team who was practicing there. We're GPS and track, and we track all sorts of stuff, vehicles, equipment, luggage. It's crazy, theft can happen with anyone, whether it's, out of your backyard, your front yard, or just directly from a World Cup team. They took a bunch of their gear, cleats. That could have been someone's lucky cleats. You'll be surprised the types of things we've tracked that just a small little GPS tracker can cover. So if you have anything you're remotely worried about, but since we track so many different things, comment below what you need to keep track of. We have GPS trackers for it. So just reach out to us. My name is Nate. My direct is 480-604-5449. Anyone down here is more than happy to figure out the best tracker for your needs.